Hello friends, today at Mom and Me Fun Factory we are going to learn the names of 7 days of the week.
I love days of the week. Mom, which day comes first?
First day of the week is Monday. Monday is when the week begins and many kids go to school.
Monday.
Yes. The second day of the week is Tuesday.
Tuesday.
After that comes Wednesday. Wednesday is right in the middle of the week. We often call it Hump Day.
Wednesday.
Then we have Thursday, the fourth day.
Thursday.
And the last weekday is Friday, a fun day before the weekend.
Friday.
Now, on to the weekend. The first day of the weekend is Saturday.
Saturday.
And finally, the last day of the week and relaxing day, fun day is Sunday.
Sunday.
Great job, friends. Let's say all words together. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday.
That's perfect. Each day is so special. What is your favorite day?
My favorite day is Saturday.
Me too. Thanks for learning with us today.
Bye bye friends. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.